Let me show you how to send and receive text messages from your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 or Ultra 2. So first, if you simply swipe up, I see you have your message option here. And any SMS messages that either arrive to your phone, so if you don't have the LTE version, they will appear here. So yeah, even if you don't have the LTE version. But yeah, if you have the internal SIM card, then you don't obviously need even the phone range to be able to receive messages. So if you click here, you will be able to see all the messages that you have received on this watch, for example. And you can also easily reply to them by clicking there, for example. If you want to send a new message to someone new, so you would simply click Start Chat, and then we can simply select from one of the contacts you have on your watch, or also I see you have this dial pad. So for example, you can just type in number that you want to send a message to. Okay, so click that, and then either you can choose from one of the presets or click here to type. So see, you can type. Also, if you swipe up, you can switch to the voice input, which in my opinion is way faster. Hey, what are you doing today? So you see just how fast it actually is. Yeah. Okay, so click this, and you see the message is sent, and I should receive it shortly. Yeah, so you see, I was able to send a SMS message from my watch to phone essentially. And yeah, anytime you can go here to check all your message threads here. Also, you can reply with emojis as well, or you can also send a voice message here as well if you want to. If obviously the app supports, if you maybe are using some kind of third party apps there as well. Okay, good luck.